day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch, and on our previous video, we check on the AI watch faces or AI dials, as well as on how to download MP3 files to our smartwatch, particularly the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. On this video, we are going to have a demo on how to add photos to the wearable. As you can see here, it features local album. So we are going to have a demo of this. We are going to check it out, download some photos, and see if we can check it out or watch it on our HK10 Ultra. We can preview the photos on our HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. So if you are interested to see on how to download photos to your smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. On the menus of this wearable, we have a local album or a photo, as you can see here. So it is empty right now. Our goal is to add photos on this wearable. So we have here our support app, the Wear Fit application, Wear Fit Pro. And on this application, we have a section for adding photos, okay, or images to the smartwatch. So let's check it out. So we have here an album, as you can see. So tap on it, then select photos. So you have an option here to upload photos. Let's try this one. So this is I don't know if this is a GIF, if it will work with the smartwatch. Okay, transferring to firmware side, as you can see here. After this, we'll add another photo. Okay, then again, select photo. We'll pick this one, check, and another one. Okay, check, and we have here the second photo, then another one. So we have at least 3 photos here. So we'll try to have a preview of the images later. Okay, then let's go to the photo section. Is this one working? No. Okay, so there's no support for GIF or GIF. We have this, but as you can see, we lost the previous image. Seems like you can only add 2 photos. Let's have another one. Okay, then check. Let's see if it will overwrite the previous images or image. Then, okay. So you can add at least several images here. I wonder why the first one is gone. Maybe we accidentally deleted it. We'll check it out later. Then, check. Picture receiving. So far, the transfer here is fast, as you can see. Very good so far. And we have it here. Set as a watch face and delete. So you have an option here. Tap on the image. Tap on this one. You have an option to set as a watch face, a custom watch face, or delete it. Okay. Again, photo, image, check, set as a watch face. And we have here our watch face. Can we edit the watch face here on the support app? Let's see. Okay, I want to transfer or change the time here, the location of the time. So let's go to the theme market. More. Okay, then customize. Album dial. No, it's not here. Okay, let's see. So you cannot edit the time here, the location. I don't see any option, but if you have an experience on this and you know how to change the location of the time, drop a comment below. Okay, so time, menu theme, menu wallpaper. Okay, so we don't have an option for that here. Then let's see, card pack, dial plate, no. Okay, so it is fixed. I guess you have to change the or apply your own watch face first. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's go to the theme market, customize, album dial. So let's try to pick this one, the bottom part, installation. Select a dial background, check, installation. So select a dial background. Let's see with this one first. Okay, remember our time here is on the center part. Okay, then let's go to the photo. We'll select this one, set as a watch face. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so it will just copy the settings of the previous watch face, custom watch face. Okay, so far, as you can see, very easy to use for our local album or local photo. You have an option also to delete the watch face or the photo, and of course you can also set it as a custom watch face. So very good feature for our HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. Aside from the watch face album, we have a photo gallery. Okay, I don't know if you can set it as a wallpaper right here on the wearable, but we have here the support app. There's an option for the wallpaper here in the smartwatch. I'm not sure if it's available, but anyway, let's see. Sound, battery, general, go back, display and brightness. Seems like there's no option. Okay, I don't see any option here. Any option for the direction or the adding wallpaper directly here on the smartwatch. I guess you have to use the support app. But anyway, we will explore the smartwatch as we go on with our HK10 Ultra smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch, drop a comment below. And of course, if you have any questions regarding the local photo album, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.